Welcome, viewers. Here is the final on my 2022 Halloween group build, sponsored by Russel model cars. And these are my 4 little monsters. Repulsive little guys, they are. I'll tell you what, they look pretty messed up. So, anyway, here they are. And they each came in the instructions. They give personal information on each of them. So these were actually people at some time. I know. It's kind of horrible. So the first one we have is Zoop. And let's see, Zoop's personal information is Bartholomew. He was born Bartholomew Stufflebeam on February 2nd, 1961 in Paint Lick, Kentucky. His favorite food is any sandwich. His favorite music is bluegrass. His likes, he likes whittling, hole digging, and fishing for squirrels. That's right, Earl. You better look out. His dislikes is strip malls, fine wine, and Blurp. He doesn't like Blurp. I don't know. That's why they're separated. You got to keep these two. Got to keep them separated. Then we also have Glob. And Glob was born Marion Carbuncle on April 1st, 1948 in Cincinnati, Ohio. His favorite food is Thai. His favorite music is classic country. He likes mowing the lawn, brunettes, and small engine repair. His dislikes are skateboarders, salad bars, and sunglasses, which I can kind of see an obvious reason why he might not like sunglasses. All right, let's move on to Zopp. Zopp was born Charles Wolchek, October 31st, 1954, in Berwyn, Illinois. Yeah, any of y'all follow Sven Gulli? Yeah, Berwyn. Favorite food is pizza, Chicago style. His favorite music is blues. He likes hunting, reading, and cooking. He probably does them all at the same time. His dislikes are television, his Aunt Grace, and weird French bicycles. Don't blame you there, Zopp. And finally, we have Blurp. Born Gustav Brauer, December 7th, 1953, in Bonn, West Germany. His favorite food is Jagerschnitzel. His favorite music is light classical. His likes, long walks on the beach, sunsets, and fine wine. Dislikes, crowds, rude people, and toenail clippers, which is kind of apparent. Anyway, they're repulsive. So there's a lot of rumors as to how these poor wretched souls got in this condition. I've done some research. There are a lot of theories. Apparently there's more of them around. You just never know where they're at. You know, you hear those bumps in the night, scratching inside your walls or up in your ceiling, some gnawing on something. You never know. It could be them or some others just like them. Apparently, they're not really malevolent. Well, maybe to your pets. Apparently, they may you may wake up in the morning, find your cat or dog turned inside out. Your goldfish might be levitating above its goldfish bowl. So, you know, if they leave the goldfish out long enough, it'll drown, right? So they're probably not too friendly to your pets, but for you, you're pretty safe from them. They're just big pranksters. You know, your keys, you leave them on the counter, can't find them, you come back, look again, and all of a sudden they're there again. Yeah, stuff like that. Anyway, so other than your pets, they're really not much of a harm to anything. There are some theories as to how they got in this condition. You know, one of them is a little implausible because, I mean, they're all born after this event. But, of course, I don't know. Maybe this born date is after the event. Maybe they were actually born earlier. Who knows? See, the first theory is the USS Eldridge from the Philadelphia experiment. they are sailors that survived that. That was that invisibility experiment. Yeah, I don't know. I guess it's possible. Another military experiment in interdimensional travel. I guess something like that could leave you all deformed like this. Who knows? Some of the more recent theories is they were the first for COVID vaccine testing. I don't know. You know, there's all kinds of opinions out there. I think the most, there's two more that I think are probably the most plausible. Is one is they just watch too much television. And I can see that, especially with some of the shows that are on anymore. Or they eat too much Taco Bell. And yeah, personally, I've never had that bad of an experience with Taco Bell. At least not that I looked like, you know, this afterwards. But, you know, you never know. There are weaker souls out there. So that's pretty much it. These were a blast to build. Had great fun with them. Kind of would like to find some more like them, but I think these are the only ones that Hawk ever did. But yeah, they're neat. They got their own little stands there. So this one here looks like he's coming at you. He come at you pretty fast. I'd be wary of this one. He looks pretty quick. Old Glob here. Yeah, I don't think he's much of a threat to anything. I think he just kind of globs around, kind of like the son of Flubber or something. Zopp, don't know about that guy. He looks a little militant to me. Yeah, I have to say, Charlie Mack, he's kind of got your mustache thing going on there. I don't know. I know you made a comment that you were in a band with these guys, so I'm gonna leave it at that. And old Blurp here, yeah, I can kind of see why maybe Blurp's not a favorite of some of them. He's got those sparkly little shorty shorts there going on. He's some weird colors there. Not sure about his gender identification either. He's he, she, it, they. Yeah, I don't know what he is there. I think that might be a reason Zoop doesn't like him. I think Zoop might be not as tolerant as the other two, and when it comes to lifestyles. So I don't know. You know, let y'all decide that. I try not to judge people or little creatures. You know, until they bite me or something, then it's war. But yeah, I like these guys. I think I like Zoop. Zoop's pretty cool. So is Zopp. Like Zopp there. Big old one eye. Yeah, kind of painted him kind of a metallic-y color. Green. I don't know, that could be a porn stash he's got going there too. I don't know. He's a little weird for sure. He stays to himself more. He likes to do a lot of that hunting and reading and cooking all at the same time. So, not sure what he hunts, but poor old Glob. Yeah, he's kind of weird. You can see why he's got that look on his face. He's got that where that stick is. I don't know. I'd probably have that expression myself. And there he is. He's got his little, I don't know if you can see the sparkly there on his little shorts. At least he wears clothes. That's a plus. I hate to see what's under there. All right, that's it. I'll do a little slideshow of these individually at the end here. And had a blast with this. I know I'm probably going to be cutting back on getting involved in group builds, but this is one of them. There's going to be a handful that I will get into, and this will be one of them again next year. So I want to thank Russ at Russel Model Cars for putting this on again. It's one of the ones I look forward to. And now I got to catch up, see what everyone else has done and got done. I've been kind of busy lately, so guess that'll take a few days to catch up. All right. Appreciate everybody coming by. Appreciate my subscribers. Like the comments. Love it when everyone comments. And Hope you all enjoyed these little fellas. And come back again sometime. Remember, you can always email me. My email's down there in the description. If you want one of my stupid shop cards for some junk mail. Stupid phone went off. Drop me a note. Say, Skip, I want some junk mail, and I will send you one of my shop cards. And all right, I'm gonna cut it off here. I'm gonna drag this out too long. There they are. The Magnificent Four. Zoop, Glob, Zopp, Blurp. Woo! All right. Till next time, we'll catch y'all later.